what's good everybody, welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we are back with another weekly recap of my trading journey during this 10k trial for FTMO. And as y'all can see, we are currently sitting at a balance of 477, so we are pretty close to hitting our target. Yeah, y'all probably want to know how I got here, what happened during this time, and of course I'll show y'all everything in a minute. So yeah, this week been pretty weird, but I'm glad that we bounced back. So as y'all know, we took some losses on Friday during NFP week, which set us back for like $100 on our account. Yeah, this was last week and I showed y'all this trade I lost. Then we had first 2 days were trash as fuck. Was wondering like, yo, what the fuck's going on? I've never ever seen such a small amount of setups. Like literally, as y'all can see, I added like 5 pairs to my watch list, which I usually don't do. But like I was desperately looking for some setups, and we ain't got no setups at all. As you can see, like literally nothing besides this. But this was, that's been Monday. Yeah, Monday have been no trades. I took some trades on the 14th. Which day was that? The 14th was a Tuesday. Yeah, it was a Tuesday. Yeah, that's right. I took 2 trades on a Tuesday, which ended up on break even. I'm gonna show you all these trades right now. So first trade was GU on a Tuesday. GU been really good this week. I'm so glad I added this back to my watch list. So yeah, I'm gonna show you which setup I took. Basically, it was this setup right here. So y'all probably wonder, yo, it hit TP, what happened? Why didn't you win? Or why did it end up in break even? So yeah, what I saw when I came into the market was, okay, market been moving really iffy around here, just consolidating, reacted off of the zone, like price reacted off the zone pretty often, so I knew, okay, we're probably gonna go up from here. Then I marked up this zone right here, and price came back into the zone, and this wick right here broke this high right here. So yeah, for me it looked kind of valid. Like it's not an A+ setup, but as I already said, I was just looking for some setups. So yeah, I took this one right here as soon as the second candle opened and it started to go up, and my take profit was set right here because we had a zone of imbalance, which is right around here, and I knew price would have to go up here to fill in this balance. So this is what I targeted. But what happened was I was literally up like $93, and lately I'm trying to not take profit too early. I'm trying to let price hit my take profit, but bro, I'm telling y'all, fuck that shit. I'm taking my shit, bro. I'm taking my bread and I'm gone. Cause bro, the last 7 trades I took where I was trying to let price hit take profit, bro, it always teased my take profit and came back to break even, like literally 4 times in a row. So yeah, that's basically what happened. I risked around $60 or so on this trade, and as soon as we was up right around here, I put my shit on break even. And yeah, as y'all can see, right before my take profit, it came back to break even. So this is where we got this -$1 trade from. And then the next day I took was US30. Let me see what trade I took there. Yeah, US30 been weird too. So yeah, it was getting late. It's 9 p.m. right here, and yeah, we had this huge move to the downside, had this break of this low right here. I marked up this zone, but I also marked up this zone down here, which price have been reacting off lately. And yeah, I saw price rejecting off the zone, coming down. I entered right here, but I only like risked $30 or so on this trade, which is not much, but you gotta keep in mind that we got an RR for always 1 to 5. So yeah, I saw volume shutting down, like literally price was, as you can see, getting dead because it's too late. Like New York session is almost over. Yeah, I don't know why exactly I took this trade. Maybe I just wanted to look for some trades. Wasn't very smart from my side, but I'm glad we only took a small loss. So yeah, basically what happened, price came down here, we went in profit for like 10 bucks or so, and it started to go back to my entrance, to my entry, and that's where I just closed the trade because yeah, volume just left the market right there. Then next trade we got was on Thursday. Yeah, next trade was on Thursday, I guess, on NAS 100, and we took a small loss. Let me see what happened there. As you can see, we took 2 small losses right here, but then we had a huge win on Nasdaq on that day. So basically what happened was I entered with a wrong lot size, which caused these 2 small losses right here. But then we came back in and took the win. So what I saw was price moving downwards. We got lower lows, lower highs. Then we had this huge move to the downside, break of structure. So I marked up this zone right here, but price never came back to the zone. Then we had a similar move right here. Price broke these 2 wicks right here. I marked up this zone. Price came back pretty deep into the zone. And as soon as the second candle opened and I saw 2 wicks to the upside and candle going down, this is where I entered. And yeah, I risked around 50 bucks I think on this trade, and we got 101 bucks. Yeah, pretty clean trade, but that day was pretty stressful. As y'all can see, we took a big ass loss on the same day on US 30, and I'm gonna show y'all what exactly happened there. This was a mistake, a very big mistake. So I think it was right around here, and I'm telling y'all, I don't know what the fuck happened, but I accidentally entered with a lot size of 3. So basically I over leveraged the shit out of my trade. I don't know why that happened or how that happened, but I basically over leveraged my trade, and I think I entered right around here, and I only wanted to risk like 50 bucks on this trade. But yeah, something went wrong with my calculation and I over leveraged the fuck out of my trade. So I saw price coming back down to the stop loss, and I was like, fuck, like I don't want to exit this trade with like a 70 loss. And I was pretty confident in this trade, so I pulled down my stop loss even further, which made the whole situation even worse. So guys, don't do it. Stick to your stop loss, don't move it. I moved it all the way down to the zone, and as soon as price like broke out of the zone, I was like, fuck it, price seems to want to go down. So I took this 150 buck loss, and right after that happened, price shot up. Yeah, it's pretty unfortunate. I was mad as fuck, so I was searching for some new opportunities. I was basically over trading, guys, don't do that. As y'all can see, I entered a lot size 2 on a normal forex pair, which is just ridiculous, but I wanted to make back this loss, which was caused by an accident. It's a pretty stupid accident, but yeah, I'm glad this shit happened on a demo account, not a real account. So yeah, y'all probably want to see how I got this $140 win on GU. Man, I'm telling y'all, GU been sexy as fuck this week. So yeah, what I saw was price huge move to the upside. We had this zone right here, which was price was literally rejecting off like four times. And as price starting to go towards the zone, I knew, okay, we was gonna go up. Then I saw this huge move to the upside. We had a break of high right here, and I marked up the zone. Price came into the zone. I'm always waiting for the second candle to open. Like, I'm always waiting for the candle that goes into the zone to close. Then as soon as I saw the second candle literally only wigging into the zone and going back up, this is where I entered. I risked right around 50 bucks or maybe a bit more on this trade, and price literally smacked my TP within 30 seconds or so, and this is how I got back my loss from earlier. After that I was done for the day. We ain't took no more trades. No, never mind, we took a small... Bro, I'm clicking shit like a motherfucker. Stop it, please. We tried to... Bro, shut up. We tried to take a small trade on AUD, which didn't work out too well. So basically, yeah, we had this pretty trade, like literally a pretty ass trade. But after this whole situation from earlier, I was honestly just a bit scared. So yeah, price went up, came back down, and around that time I already set my stop loss to break even, and this is where we got like stopped out for only four bucks or something. Actually, price would have actually like hit my take profit right here, but as y'all know, I don't want to hold my trades that long, so I just got out with like 4 bucks. Who gives a fuck? But yeah. Then Friday. Today been pretty quiet when it comes to news. Like this whole week been full of news. It felt like NFP week. But yeah, Friday we only took a single trade, which was a pretty stressful trade, and I'm showing you why exactly right now. So yeah, what I saw was price rejecting off the zone once, twice, 3 times, and I was waiting for the 4th time for price to either break this zone right here or reject off of it again. So yeah, I saw price giving this beautiful setup right here, but I wasn't in the market then because it's been too early. I usually go into the market right around 3 p.m. and this is where I saw this opportunity. So yeah, price barely broke this low right here. I was a bit sketchy about this trade, but yeah, I ended up taking it. So I entered like right before the candle break. Price went for like $30 profit or something, and almost stopped me out. Like I was laser focused on this fucking candle, bro. I was like, nah, I know for a fact this bitch ain't gonna stop me out like that. So yeah, then it shot back down, and as soon as it broke this low, I set my stop loss on break even because I don't want to risk nothing. And price literally teased my take profit again and shot up all the way right before my stop loss. So I was like, bro, is you really gonna do me like that? So as I already told y'all, man, just take your bread and dip, because price is gonna tease you like a motherfucker. So yeah, what I did was actually I wanted to wait for price to hit this to take profit right here, like a bit into the zone, which would have been a 140 buck win. But as soon as I saw this move right here, and I almost got stopped out, and when it came back down at around like 120, I was like, nah, fuck this shit, I ain't gonna go out with a fucking break-even trade today. So yeah, I took my bread and I dipped. So yeah, we had a pretty beautiful ending of the week, as y'all can see, but we also had some rough days. Some shit like that happened, but yeah, we bounced back, and now there's only left $23 to hit our target. So yeah, we gotta move carefully from now on. I'm only taking an A+ setup, and I'll catch y'all next week. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that shit. And man, don't give up on your trading journey. It's gonna get better for sure. See y'all.